Hello, this is RAUfilter for US customer Khai Doan. Now I show how work system and filter ready to deliver. Open, this is close, open system. Turn right, work only drum filter and motor. Stop. Turn left, work motor and pump here. Now I stop. Pump, this need connect pump not included. This number 3, this connect pipe. Yes, I show how work automatical system. This is sensor. When water up, touch him, all system open and work. How you see? Yeah, I regulate how long time he work here. If I do bigger, now I check. Up, open. Work. Yeah, okay. One more. Yes, work. Yeah, in the set, one more motor, one more sensor. Yes, and for this for American connection give. Yes, pipe is having the set. When he come, you just connect like take this. Do outside, do this inside, and just connection like this. Do strong, move, and okay. 1, 2. This water come inside, 2 outside. This for pump, for he take water, and you need connect with nozzles with this place. For this I give here and connection here like this. And connect. Okay, everything ready. Now we send. Okay, if you have a question, you write for me. Thank you.